Thôi. Mày còn chưa đâu vậy?
Hello.
Hello Kitty Cat. Who's coming to him? That one's being a bully.
Oh, I didn't bully cats.
Look at him, with the gums on.
I'm sorry, dude. I just want spaghetti. Don't leave me. I'm going now. See you later, guys. Oh, yeah. Let's go. I'm a nice cat. I just sit here on the sofa in Tenerife for my life. And then there's me who's just lazy and I just sit here all day. Then I just be bullied and I'm scared.
What you doing?
I'm recording cats. I don't know why. And here's another cat named TJ. He's a fierce cat. Just like me. And me. This is probably the worst recording ever. But it's fun. Cat. Close up to Mr. Cat. Shout out to his YouTube. Cat.org. He's going. Where's he going? Dude. TJ, he's gonna get the scary sunscreen. The scary sunscreen. Are you scared of the scary slides? The scary sunscreen.